our final product, our honey soy beef. Now let's taste test. Really good. I'm getting a little bit of not too salty and not too sweet at the same time because I threw that honey glaze at the end. Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you a very easy and delicious honey soy glazed beef. Now let's get to it. Alright, here are the ingredients I have. Of course, honey. Got 1 clove of garlic that we're going to press. Got some mirin, soy sauce of course, and then I have a piece of flank steak. But you can use any type of beef you want, I'm just using the flank. Now let's make the sauce first. Okay, so we have our container here. I'm gonna grab a measuring cup and I'm gonna measure out 1/2 cup of soy sauce. So I got my cup here. Ooh. 1/2 cup. Cup. Pour. Next, honey. You're gonna want to add enough honey to your desired saltiness. So I'm gonna start off with that. I'm gonna mix it with a spoon and then I'm gonna try it out. Once it is good for your tasting, then we are gonna add some mirin and then marinate the beef. Okay, that's ready. We're just gonna add a spoonful, capful. Okay, that's good. Next, crush your garlic, or you can use diced. This is also optional. I am gonna slice up some onion. Once your onion is peeled, we are gonna, let's see, so the rinds are going that way. All right, I'm gonna chop it like this. Two. All right, back to the sauce. Okay, this sauce. I'm gonna add the beef first. You also want to coat it nice and evenly. Okay, so there's one. We have one more. Alright, just like massage the meat. Yeah. Get all the juices in there. Tenderize the meat. Add the onion. Start breaking these. Very good flavor. Adds more sweetness. Oh yeah. Very easy 3-ingredient sauce recipe. Anyone can do this. If I can do it, you can do it. Really. If you can't, go back to kindergarten, please. Okay, so our beef is done marinating. I marinated about 4 hours. Here's what it looks like. I'm gonna cook each piece on the pan by itself so I don't overcrowd it. Heat up your pan on high and get some oil. Just want a little bit. Set it aside. And then repeat if you got another piece of steak. I'm gonna repeat this step. Alright, I got here the beef. And I also heated, I got some rice as well. You could get rice or vegetables and mix it. So, yeah. Alright, here is our final product. Our honey soy beef and a little bit of onions. Now let's taste test. Okay, now let's taste test. At the end I also threw a honey glaze so it makes it look more shinier. And here we go. This is pretty good. The sauce pairs really good with the rice. Now let's try a beef. Really good. I'm getting a little bit of not too salty and not too sweet at the same time because I threw that honey glaze at the end. And I would recommend marinating it for only like a few hours because it gets like really salty after that. This is like close to something you're gonna eat at a restaurant, and it is something really easy to make during quarantine. What are you doing? Oh, where are you going? Why are you running from me? Mom! Mom! Why are you running from me? Mom! Mom! Why did you close the door? I was rude. Alright, let's get back to this. The onions are really like good. It soaks up the flavor. You can also make a stir fry out of it. Just add some vegetables and call it a day. Real nice. And look at once again, look at the coloration on this. Very, very nice and shiny thanks to the honey glaze. also add some peppers to it, and it tastes like peppered steak that you would get at a restaurant. Very nice. Well, that's it for today. Be sure to subscribe and drop a like. Goodbye. I'll be in food heaven right now. Actually.